Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Chainlink here, and as we can see, looking like it is still basically inside the range that it has been in for the longest time now. You can very clearly see that this thing has been going sideways for a long time. It's actually been doing pretty damn well compared to quite a few cryptos that we've been looking at. Obviously underperforming compared to some altcoins which are doing very well at the minute. Polygon is a great example of this always. If we just take a quick look, let me get my magnet tool. From the top of the bull market there, down to this low here, we're down around 90% where we got the bounce. Just like most cryptos, we always see about a 90% retracement on cryptocurrency before we do start to see a bounce to the upside, and that is exactly what's happened basically for every single crypto that we have seen, 90 or 95%, and then a very decent bounce. And it did seem like the more of a retracement that they had, the bigger the bounce was for these top cryptos. Veracity, a crypto that we cover on the channel every day as well, is a good example of this. It got down to around 97% corrected and had a huge move to the upside once it broke out of its resistance and got a bit of volume and interest, which was interesting to see. But for Chainlink right now, it really has been in a range ever since May last year. It's been almost a year we've been going sideways like this for Chainlink. You can see support, resistance, obviously the range is formed here. I mean, if you traded this range, how many times would you have become profitable here? Like, buy the support, sell at resistance, and then sell at resistance. But we're getting down to support again. Buy here, buy here. Like, you could have put in so many good trading positions, couldn't you? I mean, if you just put in a long position here, for example, once you'd formed your range, you could see from here to here, you would have formed a range, wouldn't you? Put a long position in here, like so. Jesus, this thing's massive. Put a long position here. Stop loss just below. Take profit at the top of the range. That would have been a successful trade. Take a short position here. You could target halfway down the range, which is something I like to do in case you do get a reversal back to the top of the range and you don't waste your time. But, you know, you see this could have come all the way down here again. We obviously would have come back up for this one, but you could have sold here again or added to your position. All the way back down to the bottom of the range, take profits here. You could have longed here for a long position and a long position here. You know, the possibilities really are endless, aren't they? And I do think the opportunities in crypto are pretty insane, to be honest. But anyway, you can see quite clearly here we are still inside this range. Still inside this range. We've got this smaller range that we were inside of as well for a little while. You can see support. We've got the fake out of the top and the fake out of the bottom. Resistance here again, and then looking like now we have got the breakout and the back test of this local move to the upside that we've been seeing for a lot of cryptos. You've seen this enough times now, haven't you, to know in this local area since the new year we've been having a nice little move to the upside for crypto in general, and there's no exception for Chainlink here. You can see with this move here, a bit of a retracement. We've got the breakout, and now we're back testing this previous swing high of the range high that we have broken out of, along with that previous area of resistance in terms of structure there as well. Very interesting chart indeed. And now, as I said before, and you can see on the charts, I've had this already marked up before we began. From the last time we covered Chainlink a few days ago, I've got a long position that has just been filled in this area here. So I'll be looking to target the top of the range here, or at the very least that 0.23 Fibonacci level, which does seem to be acting as the resistance pretty much, with some overextension winks. Overextension wicks, I should say, to the top of this area here at the top of the range. But you can see here now, looking like we're coming back down for a retracement, getting a back test, resetting the RSI as well, and a decent amount of volume in the markets as well. All good things to see. And I'd probably be looking at now, especially with the MACD looking as bullish as it is, probably be looking at a bounce here and continuation of this local trend. You can see higher high, higher low, higher high. And if this is another higher low, you could probably expect your higher high, your fifth wave, heading up towards that 0.23 Fibonacci, which is where I would have my long position taking profits. So that would be my analysis for Chainlink today, guys. Really, I am just going to be trading this range until it breaks. You can obviously see if you traded this range in any of these areas, you would have made some very successful trades over the past, year or so. And really, we are just waiting here to see what happens next for Chainlink. So looking to take this long position here. Obviously, the stop loss just below. I've got short positions up at the top of the range as well. Once we do get up to that level, I'll probably be looking to short the market, because until the range breaks, as I said, I will be trading it. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord where you can hang out with me. I'm in there most days, along with other investors just talking about cryptocurrency, etc. Lots of good information in there, so if you do want to support the channel, that would be a good way to do it, and I'll see you in the next video.